Well, I've known Dr. Greenstein for a while, but I have never really needed his services. And in December, I woke with some pain on the right side of my face. I realized it had to have something to do with my teeth, so I called Dr. Greenstein, and they had no appointments. But when I told them that I was in pain, they found a way to fit me in. Now, I expected because they fit me in, I would have to wait a long time, and they kind of, would treat me on the side. But when I walked in, I was taken care of as if I was the only patient in the office. They took the most extensive set of photographs and x-rays that I have ever had taken of my mouth. Dr. Greenstein sat down with me, reviewed everything that they took, and explained to me that I had, because of all the years that I've had a lot of work done on my mouth, I had several fillings that were not in good shape, and I had several teeth that had hairline fractures. And I still couldn't tell where the pain was coming from. He tested me, he couldn't tell exactly where the pain was coming from. So he took a lot of time that I know he didn't have, and decided that we would have to start treating a triage, the worst part first, and work on back. So the first thing he did was clean up some of the old fillings and search underneath to see if there was any more cavities. There weren't, but he replaced the fillings with proper fillings. I still had pain, and then he was able to narrow it down to one of my hairline fractures. Eventually that tooth had to be removed. That final part of the work was done on a day off when they were supposed to be closed. There was no one here but Dr. Greenstein and I. So he took ownership of my pain, he took ownership of my suffering, and gave me the kind of service no dentist had ever given me before.